What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and in today's video, I've been putting this off long enough. This getting fixed right now. Y'all will not believe what this old flapper looked like. And before I get into that and the results, I cannot forget how much would this have cost me had I hired a professional to do this job. Now you gotta think, when you call a plumber and say, oh, my toilet's running, he is gonna bring all the tools and equipment he needs to fix that toilet. Even if you tell him it's the flapper, in his mind, okay, the flapper could definitely be the problem, but it can also be something else as well. In addition, depending on what type of toilet you have, there are specific flappers made just for your toilet, and that's what he's gonna go with. Now, just to replace the flapper, expect to pay anywhere from $60 to $120. But if there are other issues with your toilet, the cost can go into the hundreds, plural, of dollars. And at that price point, honestly, you can buy a brand new toilet for that. That's why I'm so big on doing things myself. This project is very beginner friendly. So you watching this video right now, you can do this too. This repair for me was quick, easy, and only cost me $5. Actually, it was $4 and some change. So on average, I saved 85 bucks. Now y'all already know the answer to this question. In this scenario, does DIY make sense? You better know it. I knew that flapper was the problem because it's nice and quiet in here now. But you know why I got messed up? Because I use these. Yeah, but am I gonna stop? Okay, like I've heard you can't use them tablets in your toilet, but I never knew it was gonna do this type of damage. I mean, look how warped this flapper is. I see why my toilet was running so bad. This warning came right on the package that the flapper came in, but listen, I love these bleach tablets. I don't know if I'm gonna stop. If any of y'all got some advice on maybe like a tablet resistant flapper, let me know in the comments because I need y'all help. With this toilet running, what y'all think that did to my bill? Now ain't nobody gonna give you this next tip but me. So get your pen and your paper ready. If you find yourself in this situation, you can submit what's called a leak adjustment request with your local water company. Now I'm finna walk you through how I did it in my state, in my county, and hopefully you can do the same in yours. Now, when I called my water company about my situation, the lady over the phone told me my bill was nothing compared to others that she had seen. And her saying that really made me feel better because honestly, I was pretty embarrassed when I called. Knowing that other people are going through this same situation is what really motivated me to create this video. Now see, that was not that hard. Do not let your toilet intimidate you. If you find yourself in this situation, you have to act quickly because if not, it will literally turn into hundreds, if not thousands of dollars going right down your drain. I want you all to learn from my mistakes. So if you ever hear your toilet running, keep me in mind. You already know what to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.